Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I want to introduce my new saw. I had an old one that worked for a while. I've had it for like several years, and it started acting out, like about to die. You know, that death sound. I could hear it sometimes when I cut wood. So today I went to Lowe's and I was able to buy one of these. It is model DeWalt DWE7485WS. It's a compact job side table saw. I come to the stand right here. I've never had one of these, but some people have been saying on YouTube, and people that I've talked to that have one of these, they swear by it. So I wanted to open it. It's unboxing for these. And if you enjoy stuff like this, stick around. And if you have any questions after this, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment below and just ask me questions about it. I'm planning to finish a basement for this house that I'm filming right now in. And if you're interested, because you will see me use this saw, I try to make sure that I record that also as well, so you guys can see. But this is DeWalt. It's 8.25 inches. It's a folding and standing. A folding standing table saw. Table saw right here, all right? I think this is Spanish or whatever it is. All right, so let's open this and see how it looks. And I'm excited to have one of these. I've never had one of these, but I think it was time to get a new one. So just taking all the plasticky stuff out first. It's heavy. It is heavy. There you go. That one is out. Now I'm gonna get a tip up here. It looks like they seal it really well. It's got a tip and it's got staples too. It's got there's staples right here too. So watch your knife when you're cutting this. So I got that. Look at all these giant staples right here. That's out. Well, let me stand. Yeah, it's got like a little box there to hold it a little bit. So this one, I'm not even sure how to remove this. Do you just slide it? I think I might have to like lay down like this, maybe, and then flip it. Let's see. Flip like that. Then pull this table off, the box off. There it goes, guys. There it is. Let me put this here. It's got like this. I never know what this is. Is this like for mold and stuff? Never know what these things. It's called silicone gel. Silicone gel. This stuff. I don't know what they're for, but I see them in a lot of stuff. All right, so this is the stand right here. I'm gonna open that in just a minute. Let me put it right here. But let's take this styrofoam out of this. There you go. Good, it's got styrofoam. Don't throw this styrofoam because on the back here they got all this stuff that goes on the saw as well. Yep, this is the, I don't know, this is a little thing that goes on top. And it's got a connection here for dust. I don't know how the parts are called in a saw, but I know where that goes. And then one of these meter gauge, whatever it is. So I'm gonna put this in here. And then don't forget, the manual is always on the back for these things usually. You need one of these in case you get stuck. There you go, that's the manual. It's in the back of this styrofoam, so when you're opening yours, make sure you check this. This can go back in the box. There you go. All right, so now I need to take this plastic thing off. From so far, I feel like it's very light compared to the old one I have. It's much, much lighter. There you go. There you go, that's the saw right here, guys. All right. Let me move the camera closer so you guys can see what I hope you guys can see it. But there it is. All right. So it looks like that. It's got this little crank thing for the saw, the blade to come up. It comes with a blade, as you guys can see. It's very smooth. Yeah. Compared to the one I have, like stuff. And then it goes down. This is the on and off button right here, or stopper. That's a stopper right there. Let me put the saw, the blade back. I like when these things come with a saw, because sometimes you want to just buy a new one. And then this is like the tilting, this one here. Then it's got this. Don't know what that is for. But this looks like it moves. Back and forth, back and forth. Let me show you guys the bottom so you guys can see the bottom, how it looks. At the bottom, it looks like that, guys. It's no plastic. Think of this like aluminum. There's some plastic down here. And there's this stopper thingy here down here for the wood, to stop the wood. Some plastic, but mostly aluminum. Yeah, this is aluminum, this is aluminum. Some plastic, mostly plastic. But it looks, I think that's why it's so light compared to what I have. The power cord right here. It's got the push, this thing to push the wood, the plastic to push the wood. What else do you guys want me to show? This is gonna go here. I'm gonna have to put this later. It goes right there. And then you can hook up a shop vac here or another one down here. And then this one goes somewhere here. Right there. All right, guys. I don't think there's any. Always make sure that look into these boxes just in case there's a part. But that's it, guys. That's the DeWalt DWE7485. Right here, DWE7485, sorry, table saw. This is much light. I can grab and put it in my truck and go. The one I have is like freaking heavy. To try to get it into the truck is, you start thinking, how the hell am I going to get this? But yeah, there it is, guys. It's pretty simple. I'm going to figure this out later. But I know now I can put this in my truck without a problem at all. So if you have any questions, guys, please don't hesitate to drop me that comment. If you want me to do something or to show you something on this saw, please let me know. Let me just lift this a second. Look, it's not that heavy, guys. I can lift this and put it in my truck pretty quick compared to the other one I have. I can't even like lift, like I have to get somebody to help me. All right, so there it is, guys. The saw. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't think I need to do any unboxing for this. This is pretty simple. It's probably a few assembly stuff, but it comes with this in the box, a stand for the saw, which is great, man. Instead of like try to cut a rip a piece of OSB down here, but if it's standing like about this height, you know, you can rip something quick. And this part, I saw it in display at the store. It moves back and forth. I think I'll figure that later. And it can move all the way up to here. I think it goes like that. And then this can extend to like somewhere here. And like about back here. Or maybe up here. So about 4 feet. That's about the width of an OSB. All right. Just wanted to share with you guys and see what it looks like. This is my new tool. Like I said, I enjoy sharing my stuff and give you guys like honest reviews about a tool that I just bought for my DIY work. So there it is, guys. There's the box right here. 8 1/4 inch table saw. Okay. Never had one of this. I'm a DeWalt guy. I like DeWalt. If you look at my videos, you see most of my tools are DeWalt. I just like them. I'm not endorsed by them by any means. They're not paying me to do this. I'm just doing this because I like to share my stuff. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment about the saw, and I'll be happy to respond. All right? Happy Friday. Bye.